Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about React Router version 6. We're going to learn how to use React Router version 6 inside React. We're going to create a small application. Let's have a demo of what we are going to create right now. Right now we can see that we are on localhost 3000 and we are on slash, so we are on the home page. We can see the home page, but if I navigate to the contact, we see the contact component rendering, and same for about. We see the about rendering right here, and our routes are working, and we can type something that is irrelevant, and we can see the 404 page. As you saw, it's going to be an interesting project. We're going to learn how to use React Router version 6. And if this is your first time watching right now, my name is Usman. I'm a self-taught developer and I make tutorials about web development. And if that's something that you like, I recommend you to subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos in the future. Let's open VS Code quickly and start creating this amazing project from scratch. I have created a React project and it's running at the moment at localhost 3000. And right here, what we're going to do now is we're going to create a couple of files, a couple of components, and we are going to install the React Router DOM and React Router packages with the terminal. So first of all, let's create those components, those pages that we are going to use. And I'm going to call this home.js. And we're also going to have like about.js, and also we are going to create contact.js. So one more, that's going to be contact.js. And let's open one more terminal right here. So I'm going to open a bash terminal right here, and I'm going to install the required packages right now. And the way we do that is by saying npm install react-router and react-router DOM. This is going to install the React Router and React Router DOM packages, and I'm going to show you how to import them and how to use them inside our app. And right now we can see that we have installed the latest version, which is version 6. There is version number 5, but this is outdated at the moment. You can downgrade at any moment you would like, but in this tutorial we are going to use version 6. So as we have installed this, let's come back to the components and let's create a basic component right here for home. So I'm going to use the snippets I have, React Snippets, a very cool extension that you can also install from the extension tool right here. And I will do the same thing for all the components. So I'm going to say RFCA, create the about, and also create the contact. So RFCA. And with that, right now, we can go to app.js right here, and we can get rid of those things that we have by default and delete everything inside this div with the class name of app. And now, how can we use React Router version 6 in React? Well, we have to import some stuff from that package, and I'm going to do an import. So I'm going to say import. The first thing we will import will be browser router. We will need the route, and we will also need routes, and we're going to import this from React Router DOM package, just like that. And how we are going to do also the rest, we are also going to import all the components. So I'm going to say import home, and then import about, and then also import contact, just like that. And inside this div with the class name of app, now we have to wrap everything with the browser router. And we do it as follows. And right here we say routes, just like that. And inside the routes, we put our individual routes. So each route component right here will have some props. The first prop is the path. So for this one, I will say slash, and it takes an element right here as a prop, and this element will be the component that we want to render when we hit that route. And the component that we want to render on the slash will be home, so the home page. And it's basically the similar thing for all the other stuff. And we can also do /about and /contact right here. And right now we can replace this to be the contact component and this one to be the about component. And just like that. And when I save everything and I open the browser and I refresh this, we should see the updated version that we have. It's still compiling, so right now it compiled, and if I open right now, we can see that we are on the home page. And if I navigate to about, we see the about, and if I navigate also to contact, we see the contact, just like that. But what happens if we, for example, navigate to a page that doesn't exist, just like that? We see a blank screen. Let's also create a not found page, as many websites have. So the way we do that, we're going to create another component right here, and I'm going to call this component notfound.js. Similarly, I will create the boilerplate for this component, so it's going to be very simple. However, here I will say, let's say 404 page. Okay, and let's import this inside our app.js. And let's say import not found. And the way we use the 404 will be if the path is star, meaning that it doesn't match any of those, either the slash or about or contact. If this route doesn't exist, this is what the star means. Then we're gonna render this not found component. So let's do that and say not found, just like that. Okay, and I'm gonna save now, and I will wait for it to compile, and then I will come back to the browser and I will refresh, and you can see the 404 page right here. And that was it. I hope you liked this short video about React Router version 6. I hope you learned how to use it. If you liked the video, please make sure you smash that like button, and also make sure you subscribe and recommend to a friend. Thank you again for watching, and I see you again in the future.